Okay, we're looking at 11b. 11b is pretty much the same. These two determine the vertex. So the parabola has moved in the positive 1 direction, up 1, and in the negative, because it's negative 3, it moves in the positive direction. Actually, what's actually happening is the whole axis, this whole axis is moving to the right 3. You could think of it like that. Or you could think of this as having the opposite effect on the parabola. Either way you think about it is fine, but regardless, sometimes people like to think, oh, this is a negative 3, so it goes in the positive direction. Okay, that's good enough. That's the vertex. So the vertex is 1, positive 3. The axis of symmetry is going to be x equals 3. No matter what y is, remember an equation is just a relationship between x and y. No matter what y is, for any value of y, we're down, x is equal to 3. All right, so that's my vertex. Now we have a step pattern of, and now we can look at the direction. This negative means it's going to open downwards somehow. Okay, it's going to open downwards. But we don't know exactly how until we look at right here. This 5/3 determines it. Now, this thing multiplies this value, the amplitude, multiplies this step pattern. So generally we have a step pattern of out 1, out 3, out 5, and instead this is going to be multiplied by 5/3. So actually we're going to go 5/3, and this is going to go, then we're going to go 5, or 5/3 times 3, which is 5. 5 times 5/3, we're going to go 25/3. So approximately 8.33. This is going to be, this is just going to be 5. This is going to be 1 2/3. Okay, so look at this. We're going to go step 1 to the side. We're going to go down 1 and almost a second 1. And then this one's going to go 5, 1 to the side, 5 downwards, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to go 8 2/3. It's going to be off our screen. But the point is, it's still stretched, and it goes in the same direction here. Boop. And essentially it looks like that. And that's the equation of our parabola. That's this equation. Oh, and by the way, the y-intercept, let's see what the y-intercept is. The y-intercept is probably going to be, I don't know what this is going to be. It's probably going to be 16. But the way we do that is, we get our y int at x equals 0. So you just substitute it. Y equals negative 5/3. And what do? We say 0 minus 3 squared plus 1. And y equals, here we go. Minus 5/3. And then minus 3 squared plus 1. Now anything squared is positive. And now this 3 gets canceled out with that one of those 3's. That's 2 3's, right? Y equals negative 5 times 3 plus 1. Y equals negative 15 plus 1. Y equals negative 14. And I think I guessed it was going to be 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, right there. And the y-intercept is, now down, equation of the axis is x equals 3, and the y-intercept is 0 negative 14. And that's how we graph